Hello, everyone. This is Maya from AI Learners. AI Learners. Today's topic is HeyGenAi. Please subscribe AI Learners YouTube channel and then press the bell icon for all new updates. HeyGen is an AI-powered video generation platform that offers a range of features to create engaging videos quickly and easily. With HeyGen, you can transform your scripts into professional-looking videos featuring realistic AI avatars. Convert your scripts into natural-sounding speech with a variety of voices and accents. Your scripts into natural-sounding speech with a variety of voices and accents. Create videos with lifelike AI avatars that can be customized to match your brand or personal style AI avatars. Easily edit and customize your videos with a range of tools, including background removal, scene transitions, and more. Easily share your videos on social media or embed them on your website. Collaborate with others by sharing your projects and inviting them to contribute. Remove backgrounds from your videos with a single click, making it easy to create professional-looking green screen effects. Access a library of royalty-free music tracks to add the perfect soundtrack to your videos. HeyGen presents a compelling vision of AI-powered content creation. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, impressive speed, and ability to generate various content formats. The AI's grasp of language and tone is generally strong, making it a valuable tool for writers seeking inspiration, overcoming writer's block, and streamlining workflows. However, HeyGen still has room for improvement. While the AI can produce decent content, it sometimes lacks the nuance and originality that truly exceptional writing demands. Accuracy and factual reliability also require careful human oversight. Overall, HeyGen is a promising tool with the potential to revolutionize content creation. With continued development and refinement, it can become an indispensable asset for businesses and individuals alike. Strengths: user-friendly, fast, versatile, good language and tone. Weaknesses: can lack nuance and originality, requires fact-checking. Potential: highly promising with further development. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you will stay with us. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.